So I've had the opportunity to work in financial sense for about 2 years now, and I've really explored a ton of feature sets within the product that I think have drastically changed how we manage as a firm. So today, I want to explore three different tools that I think could help you understand what opportunities lie with financial sense and three of my favorite features. So we're going to walk through the ease of use and UI. We're going to walk through the templates and template libraries, and then workflow and workflow automations. So let me get you in product and let's dive into the UI side of things first. All right, so I'm in the platform now, and at my homepage, I've already customized what layout I want to see when I log in. In this instance, I've opened up to the projects tab with no filters assigned to it because I want a high view of what's happening in my business at this point in time. And so the ease of navigating this, navigating the user interface is I think one of the best in class. So I can come up here with all of these different abilities to slice and dice all of these projects. I can say, "Hey, I want to see all of the projects that were assigned to Dawn in this period." Great. Monthly bookkeeping, we've got 8 out of 11 tasks done. It gives me a really good way to quickly stay on top of the work that I need to get done. Better yet, I can save this view if I say, let's do accounting period for tax season for 2024, assignee or due date. I can save this and come back to it later. So I can save this filter as a new view, Dawn's view. And I can also apply it as my default view if I want to open up to this screen every single time. So the ability to navigate and save exactly what type of view you want to see when you log in, and then filter over to specific views that you have set up for yourself, I think is a fantastic way to interface with the work that needs to get done on a daily basis. So you can see that no matter what view you want to have of the work that you need to get done, you can save and filter and sort any way that you want. So the customizability and access to that customizability via a simple to use UI is something I think is really valuable for all Financial Sense users. So now I want to dive into templates and particularly the template library. All right, so I'm in the platform now, and we've acknowledged that templates are kind of table stakes for any workflow management, project management system for your accounting firm. Where I think Financial Sense stands apart is not only in the fact that you can take these templates and deploy them automatically throughout your firm workflows, but you've got access to over 100 workflow templates built by other firm owners who use Financial Sense. So you can navigate to the workflow template library here, open library, or up here at the top. So let's navigate over there. I think this is just one of the coolest things that Financial Sense users have rallied behind to share the work that they've produced for their firm, to share the efficiencies that they have produced for their firm. Obviously, Jenny Rost of Construct Bookkeeping is just taking the cake here with number of downloaded templates. But what's cool is you can sort and filter and take a look at all of these different templates to see if they might work for your firm. You can go up here and search, let's say 1099. We've got a 1099 preparation template here from Jamie Dorman, and you can go ahead and click into the template. You can take a look at everything that's included in this template. So the tasks, the assignees, and some of them include automations as well. So once you have an idea as to what type of template you want to stand up for your firm, you can either download it as Excel and use it that way, or you can just click on Get Template and it'll port it right back over to your instance of Financial Sense. I think it's one of the coolest things that they have stood up on the platform and can really help you get set up efficiently and easily within your own instance of Financial Sense. So we've walked through how easy the system is to use, how easy it is to filter and sort the tasks and the work and the projects that need to get done. We've walked through the templates, the availability to get set up really easily, and then also crowdsource best practice from other firm owners. Now I want to walk through my favorite feature on the workflow automation side of things. Financial Sense helps you get work done, but you want to get it done efficiently. You want it to reduce the amount of manual tasks that you have, reduce the amount of clicks and navigation that you have to make through your system. So automations is a great way to do that. Let's dive into the product and learn a bit about how to accomplish it. So now I'm in the project of monthly bookkeeping for Amazon that Don Brolin is in charge of. You automatically open up to a list view of all the team tasks that you need. And then you can also chat with your team that are included on other tasks to say, hey, I need this set up. I need something else. Or have you thought about this? Did you check on that? And so you can create a really good location for your team to be able to communicate specifically on the project that needs to be accomplished. But my favorite part here is not necessarily just the task in and of itself. Again, that's implied that you're going to have task management in a system like this. But where I think you can get really creative and create efficiencies are on these active automations. For any task that you have in Financial Sense, you can create a custom automation and then create repeatability in that with a recurring template. So, for instance, with this first task, we say when the task is completed, let's just add a tag to it. Let's simply add a tag that will notify the team that, hey, we're waiting on the client for something. So, anytime your teammate logs in, you will automatically see that tag pop up. And until that's gone, and there's an automation that says remove tag, and say client information received, then your team will start to get to work on it. Another example of an automation that you can layer on is actually sending out automated emails to your clients. So we can see here that an email pops up that's branded with your logo on it that's sent to the client that says, hey, we've closed your books. You can now view the financial statements here. And so just by nature of setting up this automation that is repeatable across your clients, that is recurring for the clients, you now have a process, an automation that takes care of some of these tasks that may have taken 15 minutes to accomplish, downloading a report, attaching it to an email, sending it out to a client. Those little things add up over time. And so if you can walk through your workflow in Financial Sense and start adding automations like this, you start to see a lot of efficiency improvement. So I love that about this system. It's one of the things that helps keep our firm ticking. So I've become a bit of a fanboy of Financial Sense. I've gotten to know their team, and because I've become a fanboy and I've enjoyed the tool, and our team has really been able to increase their efficiency within it, they asked if I could create this video. And so I hope that this was helpful in terms of you better understanding what capabilities exist within Financial Sense, but then also some opportunities that may exist for you if you're already in platform. If you have any questions on the system, feel free to let me know, let anybody on the Financial Sense team know, reach out to your support manager, reach out to them on LinkedIn, on their Facebook group. There are a lot of avenues to get access to folks that can help you create a better system for yourself. But I can assure you that utilizing this system will save you time and, in nature, save you money and create more profitability for your firm.